We're here in Washington, D.C. today, getting ready to do a roof covering here, putting a product on called EPDM. It's a two-part product, and so yeah, we're just going to show you some video on what we're planning to do here. We're in the dead of winter. It's probably, I think today's January 20th. It's actually a inauguration day here in Washington, D.C. We thought we were going to have to reschedule the job, but because of all the security. But yeah, it's almost like a ghost town in this part of the district. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and show you what we're up to here and how we go about doing it. Okay, so yeah, we're up on the roof here, getting ready to bring our equipment up, and as you can see, the roof has had quite a few repairs done to it over the years. It's got a tin roof on it, and pretty much suspected it's the original roof here. You can still see the tin ribs, but yeah, the owner's got leaks around the skylight. This is an actual stairwell where the skylight is, so we're going to start doing some coatings around here. I think they also had a leak around some of the soil pipe boots here, as you can see here, where they ran roof cement. So yeah, we're going to seal all this stuff up here, and it's a rental property, so the building owners are kind of like on a budget right now, so they're only wanting to, I guess, get the front part of the roof all the way up to this part here. And then he's also got some leaks around the two of the soil pipes here. So we're going to seal these off, and got openings here. So we're probably going to do it's like a 4x5 area here. We'll do a little square there, seal that off for him, and that ought to do it. So we'll let you know how it checks out when we get finished here. Okay, over now. Okay, so yeah, we decided to go ahead and fill in the joints here with some urethane sealant, special urethane sealant that we have. Just some minor joints here, and we're going to go over top of that with the coating that we have here, special EPDM coating. So yeah, it should turn out pretty good there. And again, we're just trying to seal it in any areas that where water could be coming into the unit there. Because we did have to go through some almost like an obstacle course to get up here. Our truck is parked behind this little building here. The unit owner is actually calling this a bonus room. It's actually on the back side of the addition here. So this is the actual house we're going right now. And over here, the actual unit extends out back here. They got a couple AC units over here. As you can see here. And then we have a deck here. So we have our ladder coming up on the bonus room. We put our ladder down here, and then we had to carry our materials up here. Our goal is to start here on the brick. The brick chimney had a couple openings here. Tried to save the homeowner, or the homeowner building owner, a couple dollars by not pointing up the chimney. Just had a little few open gaps here. So we're going to encapsulate this, and then we're going to go around this turret, and then pretty much doing all the detail areas here. Then we're going to come back around the soil pipe, and then we'll hit the skylight, and then we'll work our field area on back. So as you can see here, yeah, this stuff, it sets up pretty fast. We have a little bit of mercy in the wintertime, as you can see. Then and set up as fast. But in warmer climates, higher temperatures, we only have like 30 minutes to work with this material. But once she dries and sets up, she's ready to go, waterproof. Left to right, top to bottom. What you see me doing right now, I'm encapsulating a box vent. And you can see the stuff is getting harder and harder to brush on. Pretty much got all of our detailing done. As you can see, we got around the skylight. We still got to touch up a little bit around here, around the edge there. And pipes here. We also got around the turret, as you can see here. So our next step is to mix up another batch, and